ponytail with no hair tie needed. First, begin by grabbing all of your hair into a low ponytail and separate the bottom section. Pull this bottom section up and over and around your ponytail, keeping it quite tight. You want to make sure that you wrap your ponytail with as much tension as possible so that it stays nice and secure throughout the day. If you have many layers, feel free to twist this section as you wrap it around the ponytail. Once you get to the end, flip the ponytail up, grab your Magic-Grip Hairpin and insert the legs on either side of these layers wrapped around your ponytail. You want to make sure that the ends get locked into the eye at the head of the hairpin. Then flip the Magic-Grip Hairpin upwards towards your scalp, making sure that you've got the correct curvature of the pin so that it's comfortable along the base of your scalp. We created all of that tension to make sure that that hair is not going anywhere. It's a great quick solution for when you need to put your hair back in a hurry, but you still want a nice sleek style and you don't happen to have a hair tie handy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.